Hello, and thanks for visiting my channel. I'm gonna give you some tips on how to make $10,000 a month online in the video I'm posting right now. Online money making is a hot topic, but consistently earning $10,000 a month might be difficult. However, it is definitely attainable with the appropriate approach and perseverance. So, let's get going. First step, strategy. Produce and market your own digital goods. Ebooks, online classes, software, and subscription plans may all fall under this category. The secret is to locate a market that is in need and develop a product that meets that need. When you develop a product that connects with your audience, this technique can generate passive income after an initial time and resource investment. You must choose a niche before you can begin producing your own digital goods. Look for subjects that people are interested in or that provide a solution to a problem. Anything from coding to dog training to weight loss could be covered. You can begin developing your digital product once you've identified your specialty. This could be a membership site, software, video course, ebook, or course on video. Although it takes some knowledge and work to create a digital product, the result can be highly satisfying. You can host and sell your product on websites like Udemy, Teachable, or Gumroad. Once your product is finished, you may advertise it using several platforms including social media and email marketing. Second strategy, affiliate promotion. This entails marketing other goods while receiving commission for every purchase made via your affiliate link. Through your website, social media pages, and email list, you can advertise products. This method of earning money online can be fruitful, but it does require developing a following and trust with your audience. Finding products that fit your niche and appeal to your audience is necessary before you can begin affiliate marketing. On websites like ClickBank, Amazon Associates, or Share a Sale, search for affiliate programs. When you have a product in mind, you can advertise it on your website, blog, or social media pages. Being truthful and open with your audience is crucial when marketing a product. Promote only goods that you firmly feel will genuinely benefit your audience. Be careful to mention that you are using affiliate links as well. Third tactic, contracting out. On freelancing marketplaces like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr, you might advertise your skills if you have an expertise in writing, graphic design, or programming. You might increase your service fees as you develop your reputation and clientele. If you have a skill that is in demand, freelancing is a fantastic way to earn money online. You must set up a program on websites like Upwork or Freelancer in order to begin freelancing. Make sure to highlight your qualifications, professional background, and portfolio. You can begin placing bids on jobs that fit your expertise once you've created your profile. Make sure to incorporate the client's needs into your proposal and to highlight your skills. You might start requesting more money for your services as your reputation and clientele grow. Fourth tactic, dropshipping. This entails opening an online store where things may be purchased without having to maintain an inventory. You only buy items from suppliers with the dropshipping after a customer puts an order. The goods are subsequently shipped directly to the customer by the supplier. This method of earning money online can be scaled up, but it necessitates identifying the appropriate goods and providers. You need to identify a niche and a supplier before you can begin dropshipping. Look for products with a reasonable profit margin and a high level of demand. To identify suppliers, you can utilize websites like Oberlo, Salehu, or AliExpress. After you've identified your products and suppliers, you may move forward with the process of establishing your online store. To build your store, you can utilize a platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. Ensure that your store is conversion optimized and that your products are presented in the best possible way. Fifth tactic, investing. This entails making investments in securities such as stocks, cryptocurrencies, or other assets with the potential to produce passive income. However, there's always a danger associated with investing. So before making any choices with your money, you should conduct a study and consult an expert. A fantastic approach to get passive income is by investing, but it's crucial to conduct your homework and get expert guidance. Look for investments with a track record of success and risk tolerance compatibility. You can invest in stocks, cryptocurrencies, or other assets via websites like Robinhood, E-Trade, or Coinbase. This, by far, is one of my favorite methods because it's so easy and takes very little work to see cash come in. Just make sure to do proper research and be patient and committed to your investments, as most investments go up over time. Don't forget that all investments move at their own rate too, so just because Apple went up 10% in a week and your Tesla stock went down 5% does not mean that your investment in Tesla was bad, and whatever you do, do not sell at a loss to chase a pumping asset, because you'll miss when yours goes to pump. Keep in mind that earning $10,000 a month online needs a lot of effort, commitment, and persistence. It's critical to pick a plan that complements your skills and interests and to exercise patience as you develop your online business. Here are some more ideas to support your success. Pay attention to how you may benefit your audience. Make sure to offer your customers value whether you're producing a digital product, promoting an affiliate product, or providing a service. Develop your reputation and brand. Spend money establishing your reputation and brand. In a congested market, this can make you stand out and draw in more clients. Be dependable. When it comes to developing an internet business, consistency is essential. Continue to provide content, advertise your goods, and interact with your audience. Remain current with emerging trends and technologies. It's critical to keep up with the most recent trends and technologies because the online world is continuously changing. And the video for today has concluded. I sincerely hope you found these methods useful. Remember, it is feasible to earn $10,000 per month online, but it takes effort and perseverance. Please leave a comment below if you have questions or any techniques you'd want to share. For more videos like this, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe buttons on my channel. Thank you for viewing.